Everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I have an unbagging for you. Before I get into this, there's a couple things I want to say. This is a collab video with Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture and Rachel from Bag Babes Coterie. I'll link them in the description box down below, so go watch their videos if you haven't already. And I'm just so excited. I love Dawn. We know this. But like, I'm so excited, like Rachel having a channel now and thinking I'm actually doing a collab with Rachel. And before, she just commented on my videos, and it just got, I was excited about it, and it just got me thinking, because Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack, who I'll post down below, just talked about hitting her 3-year mark on here. And I was just so excited because I remember when she was just a commenter, and I was so excited when she decided to do a channel, because it's just really neat to kind of get to know people even a little bit better when they do their channels. So I was just thought that was really cool. I just think it's cool. So without further ado, this, believe it or not, is a bag. And I kind of wanted to make a joke about this, like, there's an old Ellen DeGeneres joke where she's talking about how they'll package up some stuff, like, so you can't get it unpacked, and then you got something like light bulbs that just show up in cartons that the light bulb can just slip out of with no problem. And it just kind of made me think of this. Like, this is a nice, I'm not gonna lie, a nice Coach bag. But really, Amazon? Like, really? So I opened it just to make sure that's what it was, because at first when I saw it, I thought, there's no way this can be my bag in this Amazon bag. What else did I order from Amazon? I don't order much from Amazon, so I wasn't sure. But okay, so we're going to see how it is. It is literally just this bag. There's not even packing in there. So I guess they're saying, figuring, well, Coach must have just really packaged this baby up good, so they didn't have to worry about it. So this bag is a little out of my comfort zone, but I've been kind of wanting to try something like this for a while. And then Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture told me about it, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm going to grab that. And I'm really pleased already seeing the size. The size is what worried me, because I've been still thinking, I don't have a Neverfull, and maybe I need one. I don't think I need one, but I've thought about it. But I think if I got one, I'd probably get a bag from Personification Garcia, I think is the name of the place. I like their bags, and they have some that are like the Neverfull size. But this is a Coach Taxi bag, and this is a good size. I'm really excited.
Taxi.
Yeah, this is the packaging. This protected this baby. But I was a little worried about the size, because Dawn had told us about it, and I thought, as much as I sometimes think I'm ready for a Neverfull, I don't know that I'm ready for a Neverfull. I'm just not a big tote girl. You think I would? I'm a big girl. You think I'd want a big tote, but no.
Like big tote.
And we were all kind of feeling a little bad, because we all tried to get something from the powder pink drop that Coach did, or something we wanted. I mean, like there might have been 1 or 2 things left, but it wasn't anything we wanted. At least not anything I wanted that I could find. So Dawn found this, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get this instead. And this is really cute. So obviously this is a true unboxing. Now that I think about it, I think this is the same bag that Eva has, and it comes in 2 sizes. This is the perfect size for me. I like this. Okay, so it comes with a removable adjustable strap. Let's see if the card says anything good. Signature CC Taxi Tote. S/G CC Taxi Tote. Okay, that's what it says. And then it looks like it's got like, oh, that's neat. Okay. Oh, I love that. All right. Sorry. Let me give you a quick tour here. these Coach does really wrap up their stuff. Okay, so I'm not going to take all the stuff off right now. So here's, oh, I want to see what that is. Okay, that's this. Okay, so clearly the handles are removable as well. I guess maybe you might want to remove the handles and just carry it as a shoulder bag. But, or, yeah, for me, this would probably be, wouldn't be cross, but more shoulder bag, I'm thinking, unless I play with that a lot. Either way, so here's the front. And then the sides kind of bow out a little bit. There's no pocket on the back. Missed opportunity, Coach. No feet, but these ridges stick out further than the bottom. So you may get edge wear, but you're probably not going to get bottom wear. And then I like this because it's zippered. Okay, and then comes with a whole bunch of tissue. Like a bag with a lot of tissue.
Said no one ever.
Right. Holy crap, look at this. The inside's got cardboard to protect everything. Because look at the interior on this. This does remind me of a Neverfull. The interior's got this striped pattern with a Coach Creed in there. And this is a canvas. It's not really coated. But that's really cute. Oh, is there... Oh, no. I was like, is there a zipper? But actually, where they put the tabs for the straps, they put leather. That's a nice touch. So this is a pretty decent size. Let's see. Let's compare it to some stuff. I don't have my tape measure. And Rachel's super good about giving dimensions, and Dawn, too. So I'm not going to give dimensions. I'm going to show by comparing. So here's my Coach Swan bag.
Your Coach Swan?
I lied. My
Floran Swan?
Thank you, hon. So it's definitely...
Always got to watch you.
This is
Always.
definitely bigger. I know. Oh my, speaking of which, there's my bracelet.
Squirrel!
So there's that. Let's see. Let's look at it compared to my Mulberry Bayswater tote. So I'd say it's probably, it's a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Than these.
So you thought the bag was going to be too big?
Yes.
Not even close.
No, I love this. I love this size because to me this is a tote, but it's so cute, isn't it? It's a little dark for summer.
I don't see the taxi. I get more of a boat vibe out of it. That should be the Coach boat.
All right. Let's see. What else can I compare this to? I don't know. Does it matter? You either like the size or you don't. Look at it, covers my chest. That's how wide it is. But I really like this. This is really fun. It's not heavy either. It's really a light bag. The inside touch is just so nice. But it is canvas, not coated, so you could easily get that dirty. But overall, I really like this. I can't remember how much we paid. I'm sure Dawn or Rachel will probably be really good about telling you that too. Is there a price? There's a price on here, I think. Does this say? What does that say?
$150 USA, $180 Canada.
Okay, so there you go. Probably it was around $149 is going to be my guess. But I think it's nice. I think it's a cute bag. I like the color. I don't have anything this color. And it's pretty rare now when I start finding bags that I don't have in that color. What's even funnier is this would be somewhat of a neutral for most people. So most people probably have a bag this color already. But when you look at my collection,
it's a box of crayons.
Skews a little different. Yeah, I like that, a box of crayons. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys today. I'm just really excited about this. Coach has been just killing it lately, although this was I'm mad at Coach proper, so I'm getting Amazon Coach bags in a different color because they didn't have the powder pink I thought I wanted. And I might still want, but I'm probably not going to get it. So I did try in the second drop and had about as much luck as I did in the first drop. I did get something though, but not in the powder pink. That'll be another reveal coming up if I decide to keep it. But yeah, that's what I have. it's cute, right? I'm just really surprised. I don't know. Of course, I thought I would like it, or I wouldn't have got it. But I'm just very pleasantly surprised. And you don't know when you buy Coach off Amazon. I'm like, is that going to still be good? I mean, like, but no, it is. So there you have it. The Coach Taxi. This is in the small size because I know they make a bigger one. And I know it doesn't look like a taxi.
I'm going to name the purse Tug.
Tug?
Tugboat.
Tug the taxi Coach.
Tugboat.
Bay.
Tugboat.
So, yeah, that's what I have for you. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out contemporary and luxury handbag related content on Wednesdays and Saturdays. On Mondays, I do bag swaps where I swap from my current bag and go into my next bag. I have a lot of bags to go into lately. I have this one. I have 2 denim Coach bags. I have the newspaper print bag. I have another bag coming.
So it's going to be a Coach month or two.
Well, I'll intersperse my luxuries in between too. So it'll be a little bit of everything. Let's see. Yeah, bag swap videos on Mondays. If you see a video for me popping up on a Thursday, it will be a book related video where I'll talk about books I've been reading, want to read, finished reading, and generally there's a book haul. And looking over at my book stack, there's another big book haul coming. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
We're off to date night.